Solana is seriously pumping. It's, in my opinion, one of the most undervalued tokens we have seen in 2023, end of 2023, that is. And it's obviously, people are excited. People feel like it has potential. And here's what I think. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Coin Central. Welcome back to my channel. I make about, 12 videos a day on this channel, along with shorts. So we keep this as a news network. There's going to be a ton of news here. So that's something that I'm excited to talk about. But let's talk about what else is next for, well, crypto. And Solana is really the massive opportunity of a lifetime, because a lot of people, they thought Solana goes down with FTX. But guess what? Solana and FTX, they are very correlated. The issue is, though, now that Solana is coming back and they're bringing FTX with it. So FTX is coming back and Solana is also coming back. They're slowly selling some of the Solana tokens. But at first we thought there was going to be a huge dump in 2022. That's why nobody was actually buying these tokens in a sense. Like, who would buy these? Absolutely no one, right? And I think this was the big problem in that sense, that nobody wanted to hold any of these for any reason. Like, you don't want to hold a burning fire in your hand. And I'm not making a fire sale, but let's take a look at why Solana is pumping, because this is the real reason.
So Solana has rallied past $100 and it continues.
I love that Christmas tree, by the way.
Its tear this month here in December to close out 2023. But in this video, I want to talk about why. What's happening right now behind the scenes with Solana that has it doing what it's doing right now? Is this just by accident? Absolutely not. There are many reasons why this is happening. And in this video, I want to break those down for you guys and give you guys my thoughts and ideas on why we're seeing the Solana pump and if it will continue as well into 2024. So smash that like button down there. Subscribe if you haven't already, because this is going to be jam-packed with some good content for you regarding Solana. Let me know in the comments section too if you hold Solana. And if not, what's your favorite crypto? What's your favorite crypto? Let me know in that comment.
So seems like Solana is a lot of people's favorite pick, because as I made in my previous video a prediction, Solana is still undertapped. And I think this is the real possibility where crypto has right now, is that a lot of these tokens, they're massively undertapped in a sense, and they do have tons of possibilities. So that's where I'm seriously excited in that sense. That's where Solana does have that buyer's advantage, because most people still think it's going to go up. And when people think it's going to go up, institutions will keep buying.
Frantic rally. And the Solana blockchain is moving up the leaderboard right now with on-chain activity nearing all-time highs. Solana-based DEXs, decentralized exchanges, are nearing Uniswap's multi-billion-dollar trading volumes for the first time. Forever, it's only about Ethereum, especially on the DEX side with Uniswap, right? So right now, you've got Solana-based DEXs exploding. Why is that? We're going to get into it. Much of that energy is driven by a lot of SPL tokens. Now, like Ethereum, which has ERC20 tokens that run on top.
So ESPL tokens are basically the fueling growth, the gas, the economy behind Solana. So Solana is just like Ethereum, you know. Really, Solana by itself is meaningless. Nobody's going to buy this Solana coin. But when you have all these big coins out there, when you have people being excited in that sense for more of opportunities arising, I think this is where really people start to come in and say, okay, maybe this is the time to keep crypto positive. You know, so I am honestly very excited to see where crypto is going to be going in the next few days. Like, there is possibilities that crypto will explode, and Solana is going to be right with it there. And that's the exciting factor I see with all these crypto coins. Now, guys, what do you think about Solana so far? I personally think it's absolutely undertapped in a sense. Like, it does have a ton of potential, and that's where I think the majority of people will win in that sense. Like, there is still opportunity in the crypto space. But let me know an opinion what you think.
Of the Ethereum network. So does Solana. And tokens like JITO, JITO, as well as Bonk, both getting listed to Coinbase. This shows you what's happening on the Solana network right now. And the JITOs.
So yeah, Bonk is really like when people bought the phones. I haven't heard about Jito, but when people bought the phone on the Bonk network, that's where really like the opportunity started to climb for a lot of people. That's where people became excited, where people get motivated, in a sense. Like there was massive updates for that. So I do really think crypto right now is just getting started in a sense. Like is people that are in crypto space, they aren't really gonna be, you know, realizing the massive potential we have for Solana and all these crypto projects until it hits in January. And the ETF, you know, maybe we get a Solana ETF, you never know. And I think there is a fair chance to get that ETF. I think that's where most people, you know, like have that promise. If we get a Solana ETF, that's going to be great news. And everyone is going to like stay aside, watch the markets rally in that sense. And I think this is what's really exciting to a lot of these projects. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments below, and I will keep you guys updated with more news on that as well. So if that's something you're interested.
The Jito crypto, if you guys don't know about it, they had a really successful airdrop of Jito's liquid staking protocol, yielded over 14,300 for each participant based on Jito's current price at $2.90. It drove substantial demand for Sol's token. So they're finding ways to drive utility right now to the Sol token through other channels.
So yeah, driving utility is the main factor for growth. Now, another thing I think with Solana is Mike Novogratz bought a big supply of this coin. And by buying a big supply of this coin, he's been dumping it a little bit, but not in an unhealthy way. So just like a whale would sell and take profit, Mike Novogratz bought the FTX credits of the Solana token, which if it was all dumped at once and why it crashed, people would be increasingly frustrated in a way. Like people would be furious, right? Because Solana would crash to almost zero in that sense. And I think this is where the opportunity arose for Solana. Like why people bought this token is for one very simple reason, and that is because, well, Solana does have a massive price growth potential. Now that it probably won't get dumped in a sense. And I think this is where a lot of people have been staying around, trusting Solana ecosystem, trusting Solana's process, and actually going ahead and having that crypto hype.
Right? Through DEXs, through airdrops, through different tokens launching on the network. We know that Solana fundamentally is super fast. It's backed by a bunch of people with big, deep pockets. They've got a really interesting idea with their phone that they want to come out with. So from a technological standpoint, they're an exciting company in the blockchain world.
Yeah, so Solana is a good company. It is actually something that people are looking forward to. Ethereum upgrade can still be alive, but the low gas fees are another big factor why people are staying in Solana and why people are excited for this project.
But now they're getting really smart with their...
Now they're also having, you know, something that they never had before, and that is meme coin, which is basically a community builder. I know a lot of people don't care about meme coins, but they're a huge community builder.
DeFi and NFT marketplaces in particular. We've seen good growth here in both of these on the Solana network. So we've seen a 12% increase in the 7-day transactions just on the Solana network, compared with a 1% decline in Ethereum during the same time frame.
So yeah, DeFi, like Ethereum, has been dropping, while other crypto tokens have actually been massively growing. And I think this is the big difference right now with crypto. There's going to be always tokens coming and going. 2021 was BNB, but with all this regulation, someone needs to take BNB's low fee spot. So Binance Network was one of the biggest things right now that was out there. But here we actually do see that there is other tokens that are growing even more than BNB. So that's what really got me excited in a sense. Like, how far can this token go?
We're seeing that Solana could be an Ethereum competitor, truly a true competitor to Ethereum. I don't think there are many out there, right? And there's certainly some differences between Sol and ETH still, and ETH still has a lot of things that Sol doesn't, and vice versa, right? Same can be.
So yeah, there's gonna be massive opportunities in this crypto space probably for the next few days. Like, this is what people are excited for, really, to have this opportunity to buy more cryptos. And that's exactly what people are going to be doing in that sense. And here is what I think personally. I think most people in crypto right now, they are going to be staying here for the long term. They're going to be staying and being strong, basically, in that sense. For what I think, I don't think anyone will sell at this point. Just because why would they? There's no meaningful way to say, okay, let's sell all our crypto. There's just no chances for that. And I think this is where the excitement comes in that sense. Like, there is a lots of opportunities right now for the crypto markets to improve. But again, guys, if you want more content like this, you know what to do. Smash that like button and I'll keep you guys updated. So tons of crypto markets probably going to be exploding in the next few days.
Said for Cardano too. But I own all three of these cryptos for different reasons because they all bring something different to the layer one smart contract space. And in particular, Solana brings speed, transaction speed, where they can scale a little bit faster than Ethereum can right now because they filled a gap. They looked at what Ethereum had. Obviously, Ethereum got really, really big, really, really fast. And what do they struggle with? Cost and clunkiness on the network.
Yeah, so nobody wants to pay $60 for gas fees. I think that's absolutely pathetic. So I think this is where this token will seriously rise up. And that's where I think most people have that excitement, that starting factor of excitement, really, to see Solana improve, to see all these tokens improve in a sense. Like, who doesn't love that? Who doesn't love some crypto massive opportunity gains? I sure do. And again, guys, if it is something you want to be kept up to date, you know what to do. Press that like button. But Solana, solving the problems that Ethereum currently cannot. Maybe it can solve in 2025. And, well, with Binance Chain dropping, there's tons of other tokens actually having that other factor in. And I think this is where the big opportunity comes in. So if you guys want more updates like this, you know what to do. Smash that like again. Until next time, peace everyone.